Holmes. Wild. Dyma Bakari yn ôl at Mike Wild. Wild, rhediad da at Nathan Wolff. Wolff ar ergyd yn syth at Lewis. Hyder Nathan Wolff yn uchel ar ôl yr hat-trick yn y bala. Morris. Edrych am Horan. Dyma Bakari. Bakari. Llan at Jamie Insel. Insel. All o gael ei greisio dylmi all o wneud at yr ochr bella! I gefn y rwyd gan Mike Wild. Croesiad campus gan Jamie Insel. A Mike Wild yn amseru'r hediad yn berffaith i'w gosod i heibio i Mike Lewis. 6 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae Nathan Wolff, yr arwydd. Y bêl at yr ochr bell edrych am Wild. Cooper ar peniad amddiffynol. Callum Morris yn ôl i fewn i'r cwrt. A'r peniad dros y trawst gan George Horan, y capten. A mi oedd hwnna yn gyfle eiraid i ymestyn mantais Ceicona. Disney. Wild i fyny amdani. Owens, fyna gyfle fan hyn i Andy Owens. Owens i gwneud ti'n ddwy. Heibio'r postyn. Ar eilydd feddylia bod o wedi sicrhau y pwyntiau hanner ffordd drwy'r ail hanner. Patton. O, sodliad hyfryd fan y gyfran hyn i'r Barry. A Jonathan Hood sy'n union i'r sgôr. Da ni wedi chwarae 25 o funudau. Mae yna obaith eto i'r ymwelwyr. Jonathan Hood yn benderfynol. Mi gafodd Danby gyffyrddiad arni hi. Ond oedd y methu cadw hi rhag mynd i'r hwyd. Watkins. Greening. Bale yn disgyn yn y gyfle fan hyn i Mike Wild. Wild! Arbediad rhagorol gan Lewis. O'r ergyd, taran o ergyd gan Mike Wild. O, mi nath Mike Lewis yn dda i rwystro yr ergyd gan Mike Wild.
That's as many chances as we probably had at home this season, but in my 3 years at the football club, that's the worst my finishing's ever been. You know, our finishing at times today was comical, and you know, it doesn't happen too often. So we just need to sharpen it up a little bit, and no excuses today. You know that we just weren't good enough in that final third.
But you finished second, you guaranteed second position, so it's the Iron Brew Cup again next season.
Yeah, well, listen, we were guaranteed it before the game. You know, there's no way they're beating us 25-0 today and then 15-0 next week. That wasn't going to happen. So, you know, we're in there, and we've rightly done it on points now in the second place, which is nice. And again, we set another record for the football club today with our points tally. So, you know, week on week, we've just now keep raising the bar and rewriting history books at Connors Quay. And you know, the lads and everybody associated with the club must take an incredible amount of credit for what we've done this season. Not just for ourselves, but you know, for the Welsh League, putting it on the map. You know, throughout Scotland, and extremely proud. But do you know me, really disappointed, because if you create that many opportunities in any game of football, you know, you will win 9 out of 10 of them. Unfortunately, today it was the one that wasn't meant to be.
No, I think a point's you know, is a bonus for us, really. You know, I've got to give credit to my lads today. Look, not playing it for anything at this stage of the season, and coming here on a really difficult surface against a motivated team that have obviously got something to play for at the end of the year, and to get a point here is really good. You know, that's us undefeated against them this year. You know, so that's really pleasing for us, and another sort of step forward, if you like. I'm a humble enough guy, and I'll say that, you know, they've had chances in the game, and yeah, Andy's probably going to be thinking that maybe they should have been 1 or 2 goals to the better. You know, you're going to have to ride your luck. You know, they're a good team, but what I will say is that the final 15 minutes of that game, we looked strong, we looked powerful, and we looked like we were going to go and win the game. So loads of positives for us to build on.
And finishing third, would you have dreamed of that beginning of the season?
No, I think it's fair to say that, look, we were trying to target the top 6. So, you know, we achieved that quite early on, and then went on to achieve third. So yeah, I'm really proud of my lads, and you know, to get that in early is fantastic. Amazing reward, you know, amazing sort of achievement, and everyone's really proud of that. But you know, we've gone against TNS now last week, and Connors Quay away this week, and we put in 2 really good shifts, you know, so that's really pleasing for me, because that's the true fabric of any team.